up, little mama? You want to go for a ride? I'm gonna just pull over right here. Boop. What is that? What is it?
This?
Yeah.
500.
A 500?
Yeah.
I knew it. So
You look serious.
I'm not.
Oh.
Yeah, no. I saw like the tail of it. Is this yours?
Yeah.
I was like, it's either a ZX R400 from like the 90s, or it's a Ninja 500. It's a 500.
Is it?
Yeah.
In 2006, I bought it for $1 a cc. Some guy was like, just had a midlife crisis and decided he wanted to do sports bikes, and then he's like, no, changed my mind. So,
Wow. Does it run well? Does it run well?
I bet it does now.
I just did a bunch of tuning stuff on it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Safe-ish. But I haven't ridden in like a year, so I'm like, I'm going to try to take it around the block and not pissed up. I'll do my best. But it would be nice to actually ride with people at some point.
All right. We'll let you be. Good luck.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I need it probably.
We're glad to have solved the mystery. So, okay. Bye, you guys. I knew it. I knew it. Those old ones look so blocky. You dancing? I don't know which one you look cooler on, the R7 or the R1. Every Ninja 400 rider I see has like a t-shirt on. More head lean. Yeah, I'll lead. Hold on. Watch out. I had no idea they were right behind us. Alright. I'm gonna pass you on your left. No, that was really weird timing. God, there's a ton. Oh, you have a nice little conga line behind you. Alright, there's a pull-out spot up here, so we can stop there. Oh, look.
I like your bike, dude. This is a cool ass color, dude.
Thank you, man. We weren't sure if we were holding you guys up, so we waited to let them pass, but
Somebody.
they didn't pass, so I was like, all right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, they're the slower group.
Oh, okay.
I hope we didn't scare you.
What's that?
I hope we didn't scare you.
No. It's funny, though. I was like, I'm going to pass you, and then you guys, I was talking to her, and then you guys flew by, and I was like, what? Yeah.
How do you like the Action Pro?
It's way better.
Is it?
Yeah.
So I have the GoPro, but
I have both. This is like 12 times better.
yeah, there's a lot of them.
Dude, I've never seen anybody else out here.
No problem.
Ever.
Oh really?
Yeah, like this is the first time I've seen a group. Is that an F4? Yeah, it is.
It's F4, not the I.
Oh, okay. Oh man, look at all these bikes. Look at all these bikes. What a pleasant surprise.
2009?
5.
5? Oh.
Yeah, I just got this like a week ago.
Okay.
This is my commuter bike, and then I have a track bike, which is a ZX10. What's that?
R6.
Oh,
Crashed.
it's like,
We completely rebuilt it from the ground up from our buddy. Like, we got it in a box of parts, and that's what we got.
nice. That thing is super sick.
What's the one in front of you?
That's a F4. It's a 600.
R6?
It's a old CBR.
Back in there, and then what we
Looks
could
like
do,
you just sent
pushing it all the way,
this group on me wants to leave cards on people's bikes.
Centralia Ride or Die. These guys are all about the same pace, so I feel like it's not scary. We could switch.
Switch bikes.
well, we're gonna go out basically that same road you wanted to go if you want to keep up.
Okay. Yeah. I'll join it. I appreciate it. Look how wide the back end is. How wide the back end is. Really good timing on that visor drop because a bug hit me right after I dropped it. So these roads are a lot less tight. They're way more sweeping. Yeah. You lead the way back. It's just straight. Do you trust me? I'll be close to you, but I won't get in your way. And I won't run into you, I promise. Right. We go right.